29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of
Magbabayad kami ng environmental fee, 30 pesos bawat head.
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really
Hi
happening?
guys! Good morning everyone! Welcome to Osmeña Point Beach Resort. So guys, nandito kami sa Osmeña Point. Today is Thursday. Kanina umaga galing kami sa Tondol. And now, we're going to explore this place. At magsiswimming kami. Actually, nag-swimming na si husband kanina. Ako wala akong ganang mag-swimming. Tomorrow na lang at magkakayaking kami. Supposedly 2 nights kami rito. Pero nagbago yung mind namin kasi mahina yung signal. Hindi makapag-login si husband. Well, anyway, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano kaganda tong lugar ng Osmeña Point. Pero yung place niya, grabe. 15 minutes from the main road. Ang daan ay talagang parang mini bitukan ng manok. Hindi lang bitukan ng manok, up and down na hills. Tsaka meron siyang portion na nire-repair yung bridge. May detour kasi ginagawa yung road. Well, anyway guys, the most important is maganda yung lugar ng Osmeña Point. See you guys later sa aking mga pag-ikot dito sa lugar na to. Hi guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung isa sa mga cottages nila dito. Actually, it's not by the beach, pero very relaxing yung place niya. Similar to dun sa room na ni-rent namin. Eto, dalawa yung door. So, I don't know if that's open, maybe closed. But, this place is very serene and very relaxing place. So, if you want to unwind, this is the best place for you. Ang isa sa mga napansin ko din dito, it's the same like Puerto del Sol. Yung kanilang resort, puro mga bonggambilya, which is I really like. Kasi nga, ang gandang tignan, diba? Ito, iba't ibang color. May orange, may white, may red. Ang gandang tignan, guys. Oh. Ito, kulay orange, oh. Wow, it's so beautiful.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10.
Hi guys! Eto, isa sa mga cottages sila na pwede kang magstay at pwede kang mag-relax, magdala ng kakainin. So, dito ka pwedeng mag-muni-muni pagka gusto mong mag-relax at mag-isip-isip. Well, anyway guys, ikot pa tayo. So, eto yung place na kung saan ako nag-hello. Eto yung bandang likod nila. Meron silang parang creek. At ito yung kanilang reception. So, upon entrance, ito yung makikita mo on the left side. Ito yung mga parking area nila. Ang nakakatuwa dito kasi yung mga lalagyanan nila ng halaman, ang lalaki. As in, sobrang generous sila sa mga plants. So, nakita nyo to guys. As in, sagana talaga siya sa bonggambilya. Etong white na to, sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako dito eh. Ang dami nila, doon pa. Everywhere. Bonggambilya. Guys, tingnan nyo naman ang bongga-bongga ng mga bongga talaga, bonggambilya. Ang daming mga bonggambilya, napakaganda, all white. This is what you can see upon entrance to the left. So, yung kahabaan na to, makikita nyo guys. Ayan o, ang haba, yung kahabaan na yan, puro bonggambilya. Bougainvillea o bonggambilya? Bonggambilya na lang, yun na lang sabihin ko. So guys, yun nyo naman ang gaganda. So dito bandang left, meron siyang creek. Super nakaka-relax. Ha? So I don't know what's this. Kung ano yung ginagawa nila dyan. Parang fish pen. Nakita nyo to guys, as in super red, as in red na red talaga siya. Color red talaga siya, hindi siya fuchsia pink, hindi siya pink, but red. Ito yung pinaka gate nila. Gate closes at 10 PM. So, ang ganda ng line of trees over there. Pag nakikita nyo yun guys, Yung mga trees na yon, tingnan nyo, pantay-pantay yung pagkakagawa. So, nakita nyo yung mga paso na to. Sobrang ganda.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them.
So, this is the entrance. Going there. So, kita nyo naman, bonggang-bongga talaga sa Bougainvillea. Dito all red. Dito naman sa right side, all white. Guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. Chico. Ang laki ng Chico niya. Ayan o. Kaya lang, hindi pa siya hinog. Ito. That's Chico. Chico tree. Tuloy tayo ng ikot, guys. Ikot ko kayo. That's the reception area. And then, eto na yung mga cottages nila in front of the beach. So, dito tayo, guys. May mga cottages sila. So, I don't know kung for rent nila yan. Tignan natin kung, kuya, ay, itong mga cottages na to, for rent ninyo to? Ay, sorry, hindi ka taga dito. So, eto, yung mga, may mga cottages dito, which, I'm not sure kung for rent. So, ito yung mga ginagamit for kayak. Kasi meron silang kayaking doon. So, mamaya tingnan natin, guys, yung kayaking. So, meron mga rest table dito where you can occupy if you want to relax by the beach. So, dito mga occupied yung area na to. So, ito yung beach ng Osmeña Point. May nagkakayak over there. Kita nyo naman yan, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Dito, meron pa dito sa area dito banda. Grabe, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang linaw ng tubig. Nagkakayak sila doon, oh. So, ito yung kahabaan ng beach ng Osmeña Point where you can relax and swim. Dito, okay yung ano nila, oh, the cottages where you can relax. So, very cozy yung dating niya. Ito yung mga cottages nila by the beach. Medyo may konting kamahalan, 7K per night. So this is how it looks like here. They have hammocks by the beach where you can relax, sit down and enjoy the beauty of the beach. And there is Sister Madel relaxing after having her swimming for 30 minutes. And now she's just relaxing. And si Yost also relaxing in the hammock.
Hammock.
Sabi kayo, bigat?
Huwag mo nga ganyan.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that
So, isa din to sa mga cottage dito. And ito yung 7,000 nila. 7,000 or 7,500. So, this room, it looks very cozy. So, dalawa yung room niyan. Isa doon, tsaka isa doon. At ito din yung isa nilang cottage na by the beach. So, this one, mga taken na daw to eh. Meron silang mga ihawan pag gusto nyo mag-ihaw. Ang mas maganda dito, magbabaon kayo ng food. Meron silang tagaluto dito. They charge, mura lang siya, pero merong cooking charge. Pero very limited yung choice of foods nila. So it's better for you to bring your own food. Lalo na pagka kayo ay malaking grupo. Actually, dito sa kabila, it's no longer part of Osmeña Point Beach Resort. Ibang resort na ito. Ikot tayo dito. Ang tawag ng resort nito is Balin Manok Beach Resort. Iba naman ang style or the character of this resort.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Yes.
Good morning everyone. Ito ang Osmeña Point. Sa tabi niya is Balinmanok Beach Resort. At magkatabi lang sila. Pero yung price is the same. Mas mahal pa nga yung basta beachfront 7,000 din per night. Pero dito parang mas mahal 7,500. Kasi yung sa kanila is parang kompleto na ng kitchen, ng mga utensils and everything. Unlike dito sa kabila, sa Osmeña Point Resort, wala siyang lutuan. So, kailangan mo magpaluto or meron lang sila ihawan. So, yun guys. So, tuloy tayo ng konting lakad guys. Makita nyo tong mga kubo nila dito. And you can also rent for a tent by the sea. Dito, pwede kayong mag-put up ng tent. So, may aso dyan. Ayoko dyan. Grabe ang init. So, meron sila ditong mga kubo-kubo. Dito pala sa North, ang dami-dami mong pwedeng pagpilian ng mga beach resort. Mag-e-enjoy ka talaga ng pa-holiday dito if you want serene and with beautiful background. So yun dun banda guys, mga nagte-tent sila. And they are cooking by themselves. Daming bukol dito eh. Ano? You can put up a fish tent. So here is the surrounding. So I have to go back na. Welcome to our place in Osmeña Point. What can you say? Yan o, ang kanilang toilet is nice. Merong shower. Petite but beautiful.